front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. There are two ways to add your password to your manager. But let's begin by going into Settings and scrolling to hit Google Services available here. Now tap on All Services, scroll and over here select Autofill with Google. Now choose Google Password Manager and select Add Password. If you don't have this option though, that means that you never added a password before and you need at least one to add them manually from Settings. And now a second method. To add a first password, hit Settings at the bottom right corner to make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on, and let's leave Settings opened in the background for now. Then log in into any website or any app that requires an account and wait for the pop-up. When you see it, select Save at the bottom right corner and then go back to Settings. Choose Google Password Manager, and this way you will see your first password here and with it Add Password option. So now let's add another one manually. Select Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, any website, or by tapping on Select App, tap on any of your apps. Now enter its username, email or phone number, your password, and even take some helpful notes. Once you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!